Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by readying both files and deciding how dynamic you want the data. Open Excel and your PowerPoint side by side, then select the exact sheet, range, or chart you need. Once done, choose Link if you want automatic updates, or Embed for a fixed snapshot. This decision changes how you paste and how you manage file locations. Make sure Excel calculations are final and that named ranges are clear, because named ranges make linking robust and reduce breakage later. You now perform the transfer. Copy the range or chart in Excel, then in PowerPoint go to Home, right arrow paste special. Choose Paste Link to maintain a live connection or a specific embed option for static content. Once pasted, resize and position the object. For charts, use chart tools to match presentation styles. Make sure to use Keep Source formatting if you need Excel styling, and update links manually if automatic updates are turned off. These steps ensure the visual you finish by validating and saving. Save both Excel and PowerPoint in the same folder when possible, so relative paths keep links intact. Then use File right arrow info right arrow edit links to update, break, or change the source. Once done, test updates by changing a value in Excel and refreshing links in PowerPoint. If links break, relink with change source or repaste using named ranges to reduce errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates fail, close both apps and reopen before relinking to clear caching issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.